Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this quick video, I will show you how to cancel Shopify Autopay. So it is very easy to do. Just make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to cancel your Autopay. So the first option is to canceling your Spotify subscription. So if you want to do it, simply log in your Shopify admin panel. Then go to the settings. It will usually located on the bottom left corner of your screen. After this, select plan or billing. There look for an option called cancel subscription or pause or deactivate store. So once you found that option, you have to click on that. Then you have to follow the prompts to cancel the cancellation. It may ask you for your password or other informations regarding you. So you have to enter all of these details. And once you do that, your Shopify subscription will be cancelled. So you have to make sure to export any necessary data before canceling a subscription because Shopify will delete your account if you close your subscription. So next thing, if you want to cancel autopay for your third party apps, so first go to the settings, then there will be option of set apps and sales channel. From it will list many applications that are installed in your Shopify account. So you have to find the app that you want to stop paying for or you cancel your autopay for. So once you have selected your application, click the uninstall next to app, and once you do that, your application will be uninstalled and its autopay will be also disabled. Now next thing is cancel payment method autopay. So if you want to remove a payment method that is linked to your Shopify autopay, you can go to the settings, then go to the billing, and under the payment method click on three dot next to the card or the payment method you want to remove. Then finally click on remove button and your payment method will be cancelled that are set up for autopay. So that is how you can cancel Shopify autopay. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.